As you can turn off around Sicily, Italy has been hit by devastation hailstorm today. The pictures created Italy island known for its sun-shaking beaches and the incident ruins where cat of guard and ice pellets plummeted the region with an undoubting force. A witness reports scenes of chaos and destruction, and the sudden onslaught of hailstorm shot through windows, damaged vehicles and battered troops. The streets of Sicily's historic towns were transformed into surreal ice landscape, leaving residents and tourists alike seeking shelters from the unrelenting fury of nature. Emergency services have been mobilized to aid those affected, but the scale of the damage is still unfolding. Local authorities are urging residents to stay indoors for their safety and remain vigilant in the coming hour of the hailstorm is expected to continue. Tourism, a vital pillar of Sicily's economy, has also suffered significant blow, with the travelers seeking refuge in hotels and local establishments. Many flights and ferry services have been disrupted, further compounding the situation. As the skies gradually clear the true extent of the hailstorm impact emergencies, Sicily faces a daunting road to recovery. The solidarity of communities and swift support from the Italian government will undoubtedly be critical in rebuilding the island.